Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Kenny goes to Africa and beyond. I am here today. It's been a while, haven't it? Yeah, it has. I'm here today at Walmart in the parking lot, just chilling, me and Vanny, and looking through my little phone here at some of my YouTubers that I'm subscribed to, seeing what's going on with them. And I'm here to return an object that I bought, and I am not sure if I want to go down that route. So I'm going to exchange it or just return it. It's a what is it? A propane stove. It's a small one, just to use. I really don't want to use those things, but you know, I want to cook outside, and I don't want to be lugging around charcoal. So I was trying to go a better route, but it's the fear of storing the propane, you know, and our world is steadily changing, and I don't want to get dependent on that. And you know, you can't find it in the store because, you know, when things get rough, people are gonna be running to the store grabbing everything they can grab. And I don't want to be having to be in that situation, so I always try to think ahead, you know, of things that could happen, you know, and I try my best to avoid it, even though, you know, I could be thinking, you know, negatively in a sense, but no, I think I'm thinking precautiously, trying to protect myself and try to do the best that I can out here in the world that I chose to be in, which is, you know, living off the grid. And I'm enjoying myself. I love it. I am not complaining. I am having fun. So that's what I'm doing. I'm here at Walmart, and gonna go in here, pick up a little few things that I'm thinking about getting, and like I said, to return this propane tank to Walmart or get an exchange. I'm hoping, I haven't seen them. Maybe I didn't look in the right location. But I haven't seen them. It's mostly they selling the grill and the propane grills. But the little small portable ones that they used to sell years ago, the ones you can sit outside your door or on a picnic table and do a little barbecue just for one or two, you know, one of those portable grills. So I haven't seen them. So I'm gonna go in here and see it, look again, and see if I can find it, because like I said, I don't want to go with the propane, but I might just have to go to a park and get me a table with a grill and grill out, for, you know, instead of going to these restaurants, which I do not like doing at all. I'm gonna see if I still recording here. So yeah, I am. So that's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys can see me, because I'm a little here in the dark, as you can see. Still sporting my head wraps. I love my head wraps, and I don't like how my hair is turning out. You know, when you age, That's another subject. But yeah, I'll show you my little outfit at the end of the video. Let you see how I'm sporting today, and I'll try to do that to let you see after other videos that I post. So let me get off of here and go in here to this Walmart. I'm sitting out here on my phone, like I said, scamming through here, seeing what my not subscribers, but my YouTube creators, see what they got posted. And that's about it. Why, Harry?